It's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And I just wanted to have a vlog day to show you guys what I do when I'm having a little quarantine blues, I guess is how you can call it. So every morning I have some of this. I make myself smoothies that help with my iron. So I just blend that up. And I have a lot of errands I want to do today because I am making myself leave the house today because I've been so cooped up in my house. Sad for some reason. I feel like it might be because of it's either period hormones, TMI, or it's freaking quarantine. That was a shit show. My magic bullet just wasn't working. So like I had to use so many different tools. I actually usually drink my smoothies in like these, whatever my magic bullet blends them in, but today I had them in this because I had to transfer them and blend them in different things. But this is also good because I'm gonna be leaving the house, so do a bunch of errands, so this would be great. So I'm going to do my makeup real quick. I have like a really quick and simple no makeup routine, so I'm gonna wash my face real quick and I'm gonna do that, and then I'll catch back up with y'all. We're out and we're ready. I actually need to put my glasses on because I'm blind. I have so many little errands to run, and this is how I'm going to overcome this quarantine blues or this depressive episode. I'm going to get out and do things that I want to do. I'm going to be productive. So you guys can join me along on this journey. Let's start driving. I almost forgot, and every morning I have vitamins to take and my iron pills. One thing that's good about vitamins is they have like vitamin C in it, which supposedly helps boost your mood. But especially during the winter times when the sun doesn't come out very much or for very long. Yeah, I just ran up the stairs. Success! I wanted to fix my phone screen, and I have one place that I went to one time, so that's like the only place I really know, and there's a place in the mall, I think. I don't know. So I was like, I went to that place, it's closed on Sundays, I should have called. So I just called a bunch of places and see which one is the cheapest. This place is the cheapest. They said they'll be ready in about 20 minutes. I could wait, or I could do the rest of my errands because all these places close at 12 today. I mean at 5 today because it's a Sunday. So I got my watch. Let's hope these can make me, this won't even play my music. So we're driving audio free. No songs, but I just need to go to Sally's, and I have a couple things. I wrote it down on my paper because it was actually on my phone in my notes. So let's go do that and try to get all that done so we can pick up our phone. It's like picking up our kid and dropping her off at daycare. I miss you. All right. I've gotten one thing done on my to-do list because every place sucks. So let me show you. My phone got fixed. I didn't show you guys before. I apologize. I got 2 more stores I want to go to find these bottles for my shampoo and conditioner. So let's go try London Drugs. I don't know. You guys probably don't have a London Drugs, but it's a Canadian owned store, I'm pretty sure. But London Drugs, usually you can find like everything there. And then I'm gonna try Michael's, like a craft store. But after London Drugs, I'm actually gonna go to Walmart, and they have a hair place in there, so maybe they have some. This is a journey. Yeah, you probably guessed it. Oh, the list is slowly dwindling. I just have face wash basically on my list, and I have eyebrows, but I think the place is closed. It's Sunday. But I got my shampoo, squeeze bottles. I'll show you guys what I was trying to. Oh, also, I got flowers for myself. I've really wanted flowers, so I got them for myself. They're really pretty. Yay! Like, guys, you see this on my face? I didn't have this a couple days ago, for the past couple days. So I got these squeeze bottles. These are way bigger than I wanted, but it'll do. But I got these squeeze bottles for my hair because they're the best thing to use to put like shampoo and like conditioner in your hair. So I'm gonna start using that for my hair. It just gets the product in very well and like saturates your hair really well. I'm gonna do like a video of my new hair care routine because it just makes sense and it works amazing for your hair. And I've been loving wearing my hair out now because I can actually manage it. Y'all know 4C hair is crazy. Last thing I have is face wash. I went to Superstore. I went to this Walmart here and it's sold out, so I'm gonna try one more Walmart, and if not, I'm gonna come back. Okay, we hear you, Pop. I'm gonna come back to Shoppers and check. I really want this certain face wash, so I'm gonna go to the smaller Walmart. I should have went before, but we're really driving a lot today. It is 6, it's 5:30, thank God. I need to be home at like a decent time because I have assignments due today, but yeah. Yay!
I'm just happy I got my shampoo bottles, and I'm happy. I got my pretty flowers. This is why I wanted to document this process. I was so down like the last couple days. Like I was so down, so drained. I didn't know why. I didn't feel like myself. I was like pimple. I was like I wasn't really crying, but I cried a couple times. I just felt like just overwhelmed and just, I don't know, I just was figuring that the quarantine was getting to me. But anyway, let's take a drive to Walmart and hope that we get as lucky as we just did. I got 3 of those, by the way, for clarifying shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, let's hit the road. It's getting dark.
Because I couldn't find it, but I'll tell you what I did find. I was craving this, and before I left the last store, it was there. These beautiful flowers and all these containers. I'm annoyed, but I'm happy, and that's the good thing about it. We're gonna put our flowers together. These are all like the cut up stems, but it's so pretty. I might cut them up a little more so they're more like even, because these ones are kind of low. And I kind of want them all right there, but they're so pretty. Oh, like look at them, look at that detail on them. Oh, it's so stunning, I love it. It's Sunday, so you know what else makes me happy? A clean space. So let's clean to start off kick off the new week right. Our little project. Shampoo, clarifying shampoo, and conditioner. Yay! So I had this before. I finished using this, and I was using this, but I lost the cap, so that's why I just bought 3 of these things. Yeah, but these ones have the little cap on them. We've reached the end of this video. Lighting, that's a little better, right? We've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this made you happy. I hope this gave you an idea of things you can do if you're going through some like depressive episodes or anything. I'm so happy today. I feel so fulfilled. I just need to clean up the floor, but like my room is clean. But seriously, who knew how much a bouquet of flowers would make me feel? How happy they make me feel. They're so beautiful. Like these caught my eye at the store and I wanted flowers anyway, so they're gorgeous. Ah, like they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, like I can't get over the detail. That's it. $9 made me happy. I cut them and made them perfect, and they're a cute little bouquet, but do something that makes you happy today. I have this pretty, beautiful scented candle. So pretty. I showed you guys the candle, but it's literally, it smells so good. But do something that makes you feel happy today. Stay hydrated, leave the house, get out of bed, wash your hair, wash your face, anything that gets you out of bed and makes you happy. Try it. What I did was I made myself a little to-do list, and I left the house and I fulfilled all those things. I was on a mission and I left the house. I was gone for a long time because I didn't succeed. But nonetheless, I'm so happy and I needed that. So thank you guys for watching, seriously. And yeah, thanks for enduring this Sunday with me. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble. okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you actually Wednesday. I have a bonus video for you guys, so look out for that. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.
We enjoyed your time. I'm still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.